Bigla Himay Sumna! Himay malakas? Yeah! Sumna! Again everyone, magandang gabi po sa Warner family na nandiyan sa paligid. Nandito sa harap. Mas maganda nakataroon. And of course, sa mga present tonight, berries, are you here? And syempre, Bumbo 80! I'm very happy to perform again as a solo artist. It's been a long time, it's been a long time. And it feels like, I don't know what to say tonight, kasi I'm used to perform with my with my brothers as we mentioned. But tonight, I'm doing it solo tonight. I'm very thankful to Warner for having me tonight. Thank you so much, Celine. I love you so much. Thank you, Celine, Nika, and of course, Kelly. Where's Kelly? Where's Kelly? Thank you so much. Hi, I love you so much. Nasa dressing room ako and then hearing all the Warner artists, talagang sabi ko, kinakabahan ako kasi parang ako na yung artist na magbabalad tonight. Ano naman? But sabi ko nga, I feel so proud na to represent mga people who loves ballad, right? So tonight, speaking of ballad, I'll be performing one of my favorite songs.
Oh my God!
Siyempre yung EP, lang EP lang ito, diba? And it was written by the one and only Pablo. He was actually here tonight. Pablo is here.
Oh my God! What the fuck?
He's here. He's here to support
Andiyan siya na! Ilagay siya siya! Wala na.
Sobrang tagal ko ng... Ha? Yeah, he's here.
Pablo! Pablo!
Yeah, he's here.
Assistant yun, gogo yun.
Again for you guys, and if you know the lyrics, if you know the words, you can sing with me or sabayan mo ako. So the next song I will be performing is titled Anino.